Welcome to 401 Dixie Infiniti, where today we are looking at a 2014 Infiniti QX60. Please sit back while we give you an in-depth look at this four-door SUV that comes complete with a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. The QX60 takes its successful model from its smaller brother, the QX50, and improves in every way possible. Infiniti is known for its elegant and polished interiors, and the QX60 is no different. Supplying an abundance of space for all three rows of seating, the QX60 still has room to spare for cargo. The interior is designed for comfort, and combined with the vehicle's engineering, the QX60 offers a very luxurious ride that is both smooth and quiet. The electronic interface allows for easy use. If you're looking for an outstanding luxury crossover SUV, the QX60 is a fantastic choice. Here at 401 Dixie Infiniti, our sales team of Infiniti enthusiasts are ready to share their knowledge and experience to find the perfect vehicle for you. As part of Dilawri Group, we pride ourselves on being part of Canada's largest automotive group, operated by the Dilawri family since 1985. Our Dilawri Rewards program ensures you get the most out of your purchase. Complimentary with every vehicle purchase, our membership allows you to save up to $1,000 on your next vehicle and share rewards with family. Offers of bonus cash for referrals and 10% of every dollar spent on services will be added to your account. The Dilawri Group of companies is committed to offering world-class products and customer service that builds a lifetime of customer relationships. We invite you to stop by, meet the team, take a test drive, and experience firsthand the 401 Dixie Infiniti difference.